personnes malades ont été brûlées vifs dans cet incendie. Maître Fou, Johnson, comment vous réagissez quand vous voyez ces images de l'hôpital de district de Kumba être incendié en plein cœur de cette crise anglophone?
When I saw the hospital burning, that is a hospital where I started my profession as a young man. I was a nurse posted from Bamenda Nursing School to Kumba General Hospital. So it touched me very seriously. So I went to find out. I wanted to be sure what is happening. It so happened that it's not the first hospital that the military has burned down. They burned down a hospital in Kounye, not very far from.
Mais le gouvernement dit que ce sont des sécessionnistes qui sont à l'origine.
Yes. Let me give you the facts.
Des hommes
let me give you the facts. Just before that incident, there was a fight between the army and the Amba boys. And apparently some Amba boys were wounded. So these military people thought that they had been taken to the hospital in Kumba because the fight was in Kumba. So they went to Kumba, they went to Kumba General Hospital, they went to the outpatient and asked to see the logbook of patients. The medical doctor refused, the nurse in charge refused. Now, they left in anger and came back. If you saw the video, you'll see where the army was inside there when the hospital was burning and they were removing a motorcycle which belongs to a staff who is a francophone serving in that hospital. Now, the Amba boys who were wounded were never brought to that hospital. Now, they decided now to burn down the hospital because they were sure that those boys, those wounded people were in there. And it is not the first hospital that has been burned. I can name them to you. It is not the first medical staff that have been killed by the army.
Mais ces éléments sont-ils suffisants pour, bien sûr,
yes, because
estimer que
because from the population, there were no Amba boys around that hospital. Secondly, sapeurs-pompiers, what you call sapeurs-pompiers or the fire brigade, it's not up to 2 minutes from that hospital. They did not intervene. And when they were asked, one of them said, the army stopped them. Look, let's not get carried away. The army burned down the hospital, the general hospital of Kumba. You call it hospital district. It's a general hospital that I worked in when I was small. So I know the place very well. Let me tell you. Secondly, these Amba boys don't have the technology or the means to burn down that hospital that I know. Built with stones, it's very well constructed. And you need some kind of fire guns to be able to burn down that structure. It cannot be. When there were soldiers in there. If you see that video, there were soldiers in there removing a motorcycle. What were they doing in there? Why did they not call sapeurs-pompiers to save that hospital? Look, let's not listen to all these lies from the Minister of Telecommunication. It is their trade and mark. They like to lie. Look, they have burned down. That's not the only hospital we have suffered. In Danso, they burned down a health center.
On en parlera dans cette émission.
They burned down a health center.
On y reviendra. D'abord, votre réaction est